welcome to another episode.
$6.20.
Let's make it a night you remember. Wake up in the morning together. I could love you forever. Whenever you need me.
Oh yeah, you like that?
What is that?
Cinnamon hazel, bro. Darling.
Here.
That's creamer.
Always this cold, dude. Well, guys, it's 8:06 a.m. Left Kyle's house at 5:30. Been out here for about an hour, and we just got everything set up. And we've yet to have a flag.
Candles and 1,000 roses, a bottle of wine and cigars. Just take all of this as a token to show you my love and how special.
I knew that one right away. Oh wow.
Oh, just hooked up on the first tip up here. Nice little lake, a little over 20-inch pike. She's pretty fat though. We'll get this big piggy back.
Boys.
Get her back down.
I knew that one right away. Oh wow. Boys, we just raised those.
I saw that thing pop up.
Dude, look at this thing.
Oh God. Boys, we can have a tanker on.
Dude, that thing is taking line.
Oh God. Don't have much left here. He's taking it. Look at this. Look at this. Should I hit him?
Got him?
Yeah. Oh my God, he feels tiny. Oh, I lost him.
No.
He's running at me. No, he's still here. He was running at me.
Nice.
Oh, he's running at me again. Feels like he. Oh, now he's got beef too.
Does he?
Oh my God. Oh, don't even force that. Is that the same fish?
Nice fish, huh?
Yeah. He's got a few marks on him. Up there. It's weird he's got that. I don't know what that is.
Just T-bone that sucker there.
There you go.
You good?
Ready? Ready? Oof. What do we save? 26, 27? No, maybe 25, 26 probably.
Yeah, right around there.
She's a fatty.
Yeah, she is.
Yep.
Let's get her back. Nice. Big old fish. Oh, there we go.
Okay,
Oof, got that.
talk about like what you're using.
Alright. Well, so we're using a sucker, probably 6, 7 incher. We got a few 8 inchers. Anywhere around there. Oh, this is sticking to my hand. But some rigs have 2 trebles, some have 1 treble and a single extra finesse wide gap 3/0. But that's about it. What is it, 50 pound mono?
Boys, flag out.
That's too much sauce. Protect the leak, the plane with. That's too much sauce.
Just, oh yeah.
There she is. Let's wait for her to take her run.
It's a blizzard out here, fellas. We're just getting ready to set up another one and flag up.
I'd say hit her when you want if she's taking off. Just hit it.
I think it's just a little one.
Yeah. happens.
Oh, that's what mine felt like.
Oh my god. She big?
She's stuck on the bottom of the ice?
I think so.
No, but just let her go. Let her kick.
Let her go.
Dude, that thing's huge. Oh my god.
Is it big?
Yeah.
How big?
Oh my god.
Butch, how big? Talk to me, dude.
Hey, give her a little.
There's her head.
You got her?
Oh, she's not big.
She's not big. What is that? What? Dude, she's big. She's big.
Look at that thing, boys. That is a beautiful fish. Wow.
Right through the eye. Come on now. That's a 10. He goes, this thing's huge.
What a monster.
It's a beauty.
Hey, Joe.
Well, boys, we thought it was a big muskie, but turned out to be a little slime ball. It's snowing like a bitch. Hands are cold.
Boy. Hey.
Psych!
Ow!
I can't feel my fucking fingers.
Well, folks, if you can't tell, it is snowing a little bit out here. I think we're gonna move this one shallower over here. Gotta go warm up quick. I knew that one. Going.
No, there's no fish there. Definitely no fish.
Oh yeah, there is. It's gotta be. It's spinning.
Oh, there's a fish.
Oh really?
She's taking it. Should we John Gillespie?
Take her.
Let me get that. Yo.
No.
She's running at you.
She's running.
I told you she is.
Yeah, at least she's 6 inches.
Look at the whole thing.
It's a beautiful day. Hands are cold. And
Oh, that was too cold.
We're heading off the lake right now. You know what? I'll just go right here. Oh, howdy folks. I'm gonna go find Zach and Kyle quick. Ready? Hey.
well, guys, we got out here at 5:30. It's 12 o'clock now, so we're gonna head home. Probably get something to eat.
You're paying, right?
Probably.
All right, sweet.
Only a total of 4 fish.
Yeah, it's kind of slow.
2 small, 2 decent.
We were supposed to have 3 other people out here with us, but they couldn't make it because they lost last night. So we will have them featured in a different video where hopefully we'll catch some more fish. So please hit the subscribe button,
Smash it!
drop us a like, and
Click it!
keep fishing.
Do it then for enough! Yeah!
Oh shoot. Hey, I used a slippery guy.
Ah!
Oh shit.